Hey guys, welcome to the Level 2 Algebra Preparation questions. This is question 5 in this series. So today's question, we're going to be looking at this particular one here. What you need to do is make x the subject of the equation. Okay, now I know that some of you might have not seen this type of question before, but you might have done something similar. So the first thing to understand is you got to use one of the log rules for this one. Okay, now when you see the number 7 and s, you can kind of see that it's not really possible to make them the same base because you've got a number and a variable, but at the same time you want to have x by itself. So think back to log rules, and there's a particular log rule where it has log of a to the power of b could actually be written as b multiplied by log of a. Now this particular rule is what we're going to use in this situation. So what we have is we've got 7 to the power of x plus 3 equals s to the power of x. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to take log on both sides. So we're going to have log of 7x plus 3 equals log of s to the power of x. And according to this rule here, what we can do is we can actually write the power in front of the log. So that means, because for the first one, you've actually got x plus 3 as the power. So that means you can actually write it in front as x plus 3 multiplied by log 7, and that's equal to, once again, you've got x as a power, so you can bring x in the front and write that as log of s. Okay, so once we get this, what we need to do is we need to expand the brackets, particularly talking about the x plus 3. So what we're going to have is x multiplied by log 7, which equals to x log 7 plus, and then we've got 3 multiplied by log 7. So we're literally just expanding the brackets. So we're going to get 3 log 7, and that's equal to x log of s. So at this point, you need to rearrange things so that all the x's are together, and then we can actually work around it. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave x log 7 here, and we're going to take plus 3 log 7 to the other side, which would become minus 3 log 7, and then shift the x log s back to the left hand side. So that's going to look like minus x log of s. And all of this is equal to minus 3 log 7. So at this point, you can see that x is a common factor for these two terms right here. So I can take x out as a common factor and write this as log 7 minus log of s, and that's equal to minus 3 log 7. Finally, I've actually got x by itself, because what I can now do is write this as minus 3 log 7, and the whole thing is divided by the bracket which is log 7 minus log of s. Cool. That's basically it, guys, for this particular type of question. If you have any questions, pop it in the comments below. Apart from that, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.